powered as New England, except they got a better defense.
What?
No, don't even say that. Atlanta's got, honestly, I'd rather have Atlanta's receivers than New England's.
I would too. I honestly would.
RuBy.
Tom Brady and
Matt Ryan is still that shit, though.
man, he's an idiot sometimes, man.
Okay, but then you have to run in. Hold on, bro.
What's going on, man? Matt Ryan, it can be so
Then
stupid.
you gotta add in
sometimes.
Michael Turner versus fucking Gator.
And you said what was he mixed with?
German Shepherd and Pitbull.
But look at Baltimore, how well-rounded and balanced they are.
Yeah, they are very good.
They got a running game. They got Flacco that could throw it all over the place now. He's on fire, man.
Yeah, he is.
And they got that defense that's
you
good
gotta
from
look.
top to bottom.
You gotta look.
Baltimore is gonna get it.
San Francisco,
honestly,
like they're mirror
I don't see
images
a
of each other.
Shepherd in them
they pretty much. I mean, they are.
They're even coached by brothers.
Yeah, they are the same kind of well-balanced team as
style.
Baltimore.
Hold on, it's the same exact style. They're
Yeah.
actual brothers fighting against each other.
Yeah.
They do everything.
Boy, those Harbaugh brothers figured out the formula to get for a well-balanced team in the NFL, man.
Only thing you have to do is just have a killer
Belichick
defense and have a run game, pass
Yep,
game.
yep. And really have a run game to open up the pass game.
Because look at how bad Flacco was a couple years ago.
Baltimore got to win though.
Fuck
They
y'all.
Not
They're
because
gonna
they
win.
deserve it though.
No,
not only
that.
him.
Fuck Ray Lewis.
Who deserves it?
Fuck Ray Lewis. Ray Lewis can suck my dick. Pat Willis is better than him.
He's gonna hurt Kaepernick though.
Pat Willis is gonna destroy Joe Flacco. Are you serious?
Pat Willis might hurt him.
Look at how tough Ray Lewis is. He's playing with a forward tricep, man. He's still out there leading the
Willis
playoffs
plays
in tackles.
all last
This shit is torn
postseason.
completely too.
Yeah.
No,
I
he's
heard